Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I'm Stephanie. I grew up a carpenter's daughter and served in the Army National Guard as a carpenter. Now I'm taking my passion for woodworking, interior design, and home DIY to YouTube. My husband and I bought this old 1950s ranch, and I'm fixing it up one project at a time and sharing the DIY tutorials right here on my channel so you can tackle these projects too. It's a brand new year, and I'm starting it off with my biggest home project yet, a full kitchen renovation. I'll be breaking down the kitchen renovation into 10 different videos, walking you through every step of the process from start to finish. In this first video, I'll be taking you through what the kitchen currently looks like, and then I'll walk you through our new kitchen design plan. Here is what we are currently working with. The kitchen is very charming and it is fully functional, but it's about time to make some updates. All of our cabinetry will be replaced, as well as the countertops. We're going to replace the flooring with some new black and white tile, which I'm super excited about. We will be replacing all of the appliances. Unfortunately, our antique range will have to go. It's been fun using this, but we need something a bit more practical. Light fixtures and plumbing fixtures will need to be replaced. I will be building a new custom pantry. Nothing from the current kitchen is staying, so demo should be pretty easy. The biggest challenge of this renovation is removing the top half of this wall to open the kitchen up to the living room and the dining room. Before I show you the new design plan for the kitchen, I want to quick thank the sponsor of today's video, HelloFresh. With HelloFresh, you get fresh, pre-portioned ingredients and seasonal recipes delivered right to your doorstep. In this box, I have 1-pan Santa Fe pork tacos, Italian chicken over lemony spaghetti, and firecracker meatballs. My mom is in town and I want to try and impress her, so I made her and my husband the Italian chicken over lemony spaghetti. My mom is a great cook and I grew up eating delicious meals, but today I got to cook for her and she gave the Italian chicken over lemony spaghetti 5 stars, so you know it's good. It's a new year and this would be a perfect time to set some healthy goals and regain control of your food choices with HelloFresh. HelloFresh makes eating well easier with many family-friendly, calorie-smart, pescatarian, and veggie options every week. Plus, every recipe includes fresh produce sourced directly from farmers. What I love about HelloFresh is how quick and convenient it is. I don't like grocery shopping and I don't love all the prep involved with cooking, but HelloFresh offers a wide variety of quick and easy recipes, including 20-minute meals, easy cleanup, and low prep options. Go to HelloFresh.com and use code HOMEWithStephanie16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. Alright, let's take a look at the new design plan for the kitchen. I designed our kitchen in SketchUp, which is my go-to program when working on big home projects. I do have a SketchUp tutorial and I will link that video in the description below in case you're interested in learning how to use the program. To give you a better idea of the layout of our house, the kitchen is in the corner. This is the dining room and here is the living room. Like I mentioned earlier, we're going to be taking these walls out to open up the kitchen into the living room and the dining room, which will make such a big difference. After doing some framing, electrical, and plumbing work, we'll patch up any drywall. Next steps will be to install cabinetry, tile the floor, install countertops and appliances. Then comes the sink and faucet, backsplash and open shelving, a new range hood with pendants on either side. We'll add a few bar stools to the island and end with some miscellaneous finish work. So that is sort of the general plan for the kitchen. My dad is in town for a few weeks and my husband has some time off work, so we're going to team up and try to get this done as fast as we can. We will be hiring an electrician to help with that portion of the renovation. There is minimal plumbing that will need to be done, so hopefully we can do all of that ourselves. I plan to do a cost breakdown at the end of the project. Also, I will link as many products, tools, and materials as I can in the description of each video. Here is a sneak peek of the design board for the kitchen. I like to create my design boards in Canva. I do have a tutorial on how to create design boards in Canva, and I will link that video in the description below as well. I really wanted to keep the kitchen timeless, so I stuck with a black and white checkered floor, brass and dark wood accents, stainless steel appliances, and light countertops. Our cabinets will be painted Natural Cream by Benjamin Moore, and then I decided to do a deep green backsplash to add a bit of color to the kitchen. I've been saving kitchen inspiration pictures on Pinterest for the last year, so it's nice to finally put all the pieces together and create a cohesive, detailed vision for the space. That's about it for the first video. I hope this gives you a better idea of all the awesome projects to come. I'm excited to share the progress with you guys, and I hope you're excited to follow along. Next week, I'll be posting a video all about demo and that whole process, so you can stay tuned for that. If you want to follow the kitchen renovation a little bit closer, I'll be posting more daily updates on my Instagram at Home with Stephanie.